So like
Okay.
Xero Central is very good with a
Yeah.
lot of things. Like if you search in Xero Central, you'll find a lot of your answers in there on how to do something in
Hmm.
Xero. Okay. So sometimes try searching there as well when you're like short on time because it shows everything
Yeah.
one step at a time. So it might be easier to understand as well.
Yeah. Actually, I actually prefer to ask the questions once I'm doing it.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah,
Yeah. While you
because it
do it,
will
then
be
you
easier
get
for
the
me. Mhm.
exactly. Well, while you do it, you understand the concept better. Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So this is now she's gonna show how to do pass.
Okay, so first thing you have to reconcile all the bank reconciliation that is included in the period. Like for example, if you're doing the December BAS, so the quarter BAS is for December. That includes October, November, December. So this one, September, October, uh, bank transaction should be
Should be
reconciled
reconciled.
first. And then after you reconcile that, you have to go to the reconciliation report and then click.
Last quarter.
Yeah, you can click the last quarter if you want. That would have picked that up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Click update. So yeah, the statement balances, imported balances, and the zero balances should be matched. If there are any discrepancies, you have to check on that. So these are the outstanding balance payments, and then the unreconciled transaction. So this should be cleared out before you do the uh
Bank reconciliation.
BAS.
I mean, BAS.
Yeah, you have to check all the bank account as well. So not just this bank account. After that, you have to check on the reports again for the payroll, which is for the IAS.
Okay.
But this
And then
IS would only be for the last month of the quarter, not the whole month, because IS will
Yes.
launch every month, right? So
Yeah,
since
yeah,
Yes.
she's
correct,
doing
yeah.
December quarter, it will be only December month's IS.
Okay.
correct. After that, if everything matches, you have to go to activity statement again, and then click the quarter. Yeah. So it should be business activity statement, and then click update. So, there. You have to check on the GST audit report as well. If there are transactions that are not in the correct GST code, or it has an incorrect chart of account or accounts. So you have to check on this.
So is that GST audit report? That's the main one you use in Xero
Yeah.
for checking the
Yeah.
allocations.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see the GST amounts in here as well.
Yeah. I think there's a wide view on the top. So that would give the whole, you don't need to scroll. Yeah. See wide view? Yeah.
But you guys find that's the best report?
Yeah. For checking,
Yeah.
definitely. But usually, if you
Okay.
do the bank rec correctly,
Yeah,
and
that's right.
recording of bills in
Mm.
Xero correctly, then there
Should
should
look after
be.
itself. Yep.
Yeah, exactly. And that can be done when you're doing the end of month management report work as well, so that during the
Mm.
quarter, 3 months work is not like too much work for you. So we
Yep.
usually do the checking of if all the bills are done correctly and if all the bank rec are done correctly at the end of the month with the management report.
Correct.
But just to roughly check, sometimes if there are like GST free items, like here is written on the left hand side GST on income, and then there would be GST free items. We just double check if the GST free items are all coded correctly,
Yeah.
Yeah.
just to be safe.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
yeah, so after you check all this, yeah. Sorry, Mary,
After you check this one, you have to go to the business activity statement again.
If you've
And
got any
then
questions, Christy, if you've got any questions, make sure you speak up.
Yes, of course.
so just double check these amounts, and if the W1 is reported correctly, because sometimes there are amounts that uh is not reported in here, so you have to change the payroll settings. Just double check everything. After that, publish it. Publish. There. After you've published it, you'll go to the green zero again, practice manager and tax. Search the client, click the client name, then go to the tax returns. Check if the
Just
period.
Shimon, this just come up here. Your video isn't working. Is that you?
Um,
Can you see my screen,
Is that
Dave?
me?
yeah, we can see your screen.
Yeah.
It's
So that's not talking about the video we're doing now. Okay. As
Can
long
we
as that's
focus on this? Yeah, because as long as we can see the screen, I just wanna like it's fine for now
yeah,
because
I'll
she's
just
recording it.
yeah, I just but okay. I just wanted to check that it was still being recorded.
Yep. And then after that, check if the period is already been created, if it's in draft. So this one is already been in draft. So I just have to click uh this one. But if not, you'll have to click the tax and then click AS. Click this one.
So it goes draft, then out to sign, does it? And then it's signed.
That's a different period.
You know, but I'm just asking generally, does it that's the sequence of events. See, this one's draft. If it's draft, that
Mm,
means you haven't sent it
sent
out to
it out.
sign off.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Like you
Yes.
You
see the second
filed,
one option written out to sign. That means it's been sent out to sign,
right, and
Yeah.
obviously filed means it's been signed.
signed and lodged to the ATO.
Yes.
Okay. So filed equals signed and lodged,
Mhm,
correct?
mhm.
Mm-hmm. All good. So you'll see this one, it's till draft. So you have to check the cover first. Um if the email address is correct for the
Yeah,
sending out of the
Okay.
BAS.
yeah. This is very important. I would
Correct.
suggest to just double
Correct.
check if the email address is done correctly because if the email has like even a small mistake of a dot or something, it won't go out to the client.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay.
But in here, it will show that it has been filed, but it's not. Sorry, I mean sent out, but it's not. So just always double check email address.
Okay. And we're
Okay.
obviously
And
on the
then
cover page here.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
yeah, you'll see it here. And you can edit it here. After that, we have to click import from Xero, and then click the correct period. So this one is for the October to December period. So this one is December quarter. Click import. there. So it will automatically populates everything except for the PYGI. So if you
Yeah.
click GST, the total sales are already been populated. You just have to double check again if these are the correct amounts. Go into
But you know how
activities.
before you can't edit. Once you've downloaded it, you can't edit. Is that what you were
In
saying before?
in the green one, are you saying?
What are we in now? Blue or green?
This screen is for the green one that we're in.
Yeah, I just, you said that you couldn't edit it. You had to delete it.
Yes, if there are errors or you have like edited something in the blue zero, you have to
Oh,
delete and edit again the.
I think, Charmin, how about if they click on update? Like if you go to the green zero, there is an option to update from zero, right? So if you click
Yes,
update,
yes.
wouldn't that work as well instead of deleting?
No, you have to delete first the publish one and then
Okay.
republish it again and then click the update from zero again.
Okay. All right.
okay.
Yep. Just double check if the amounts are correct in the blue
But then
and the green zero.
once it's in the green, you can edit it in the green, can't you?
You can
That's
still edit it.
in the green, though. It was what you're saying.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
You can still
Okay.
edit it.
So any editing takes place in the green, which is what we're in now, correct?
Um well, as much as possible it should be matched with the blue zero. So any alterifications it should be first be corrected in here in the blue zero and then just import it here. So
Okay.
there are no discrepancies involved.
So you're safe for doing the editing in the blue and making
Yes,
sure the
yes.
blue's all correct,
Correct.
and then downloading, so that then when you download, the only thing you may have to change is the PAYGI, because
Correct.
that's the only manual number, correct?
Correct. Correct.
Did you get that, Resty?
Hmm.
So once everything checks out, just click the summary. Um, check if everything's matches with blue zero, and then click validate. So if there are errors here, it will pops up like this one T4. Have to check T4.
Where's D4?
Let me check this
Oh,
one.
T4. I
This
thought you
one
said
the
D.
reason for variation. So if there are variances because of the PYG.
But where did it first come up that there was a discrepancy? Oh, one form
Here.
error. So, there. That's
Yes.
good, isn't it? Hmm.
Yeah.
And so what was wrong
Certificate.
with it?
The reason for the variation. For now, I'll just click change in investment, but you have to click the correct variation reason for this one, and
And
then click
so this
validate
is a
again.
variation from the installment amount, was it?
Yes, yes. There. So if you click validate again, it will show here that there are no error were found, and then you can
But
push
just
it to.
in this case, if you're taking the number from the portal, okay, and manually putting it in here, why would there be a variation in that amount? Because I thought that you go into the portal and you put in a manual amount. So whatever the portal's saying, isn't the portal correct?
This is for the PYGI.
That is for the page.
Yes, not the BAS.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So if there are no error found, you have to click yes. I save, sorry, and then click complete. And then I usually print this out and send it out to my manager just to double check and review my work.
Yeah, like the team leader always reviews first before you give it out to the
Yeah.
client. Definitely,
So
always.
yeah. So I usually download it after I save it and completed it, and then send it out to my manager, and as well as download the activity statement in the blue Xero. Um in here you can export and then click Excel. So these reports will be sent out to your manager.
Why do you go Excel and why not just PDF?
Well,
Whatever is your preference, Harry, if you
yeah.
are because you're
Okay.
the one who's going to review it. So if you just want it in Excel, you can do
Oh no,
Excel.
Excel looks all right. That
Yeah,
looks all right.
Yeah.
you
Excel.
can do
Some,
whatever is convenient for
yeah.
you.
Yeah, no, Excel looks all right. Just sometimes with Excel, it sometimes is messier
Yeah.
rather. No, that's fine. Yep.
Mm.
Okay. So after your manager approves it, that's the time I'll go back to Green Zero to approve this. Click approve, and then click request e-signature, and then just double check everything, the name, the last name, and the especially the
Email address.
email address.
Yeah.
Then here I click the activity statement template, then click continue. I will not click the continue
Yeah, because then it
because
will
it
go
will
to the
send it.
client. So we're not going
Yeah.
to send.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
After that, you will see it in the client's
Sent and I'll
um
be
Out to
yes,
sign, I think the
out
status
out
will
out
to
be.
out
sign. I
to
mean.
sign. Yes,
Mm.
yes, out to
Okay.
sign.
Yep. Cool.
That's
Okay.
it.
Then yeah, you have to send this copies, the workbook, and then the BAS payment references to the client as well in email, just to be sure that they receive the e-signature from Zero. That's it.
Okay. Um. Okay. Now, so can we now stop that and then just quickly do the
Okay.
super? Rusty had a question with regards to the super. Can you just, Charmaine, can you